Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens. I'm the author of the 10-Unit Academy series, and this is English Nerd. Today, for the WIP list, that is work in progress list that I'm putting out every day in November, I wanted to talk about chapter headings or different ways that you can break up your book. At this point, you probably have made a decent amount of headway. You don't need to break things up into chapters at this point, but here are some options for you when you do. So without further ado, chapter headings. Just numbers. The name of the point of view character. A timestamp, such as day and time. Act and scene. A news headline. Traditional chapter titles. No chapters at all. Consecutive lines from a nursery rhyme or a poem. Names of battles. Names of pieces of artwork. Vignette scenes instead, like pieces of an interview. An explanatory note for found footage. You could do a larger section that breaks it down into characters' ages and then chapters within that. You could do another large section that you actually name, but then within that the chapters are merely numbered. You could break your book up into two, as in before and after, north and south. This works really well when you have two opposites. And that's it for different types of chapter headings, ways to break up your book. I've used a couple of these. I'm considering using a couple others. So hopefully, as always, you feel helped or inspired at least by this. Make sure to subscribe to English Nerd for more of this kind of content. Get those notifications because I'm going to be putting out tons of these lists in November. So like this video if you like it, and I will see you very soon.